Welcome back CAD Design's YouTube channel. Now in this video we will discuss how to use these draft tools. Here we have total three options here. Okay, one is draft angle, second one is draft reflect line, and third one is variable angle draft. Here we have few differences here. See, observe these two tools. Here there is no fillet and here we have some fillet. Okay, this is the two tools difference. Okay, now we will discuss again what about that. And next, when you start this video, if you want to more videos like this, do subscribe our channel, and next don't forget to activate bell icon. Now let's start our video. Now I'm using first tool. See, this one is draft angle. When you enter into this draft angle, here we have this option is highlighted. This is the faces to draft. Faces to draft means which face you want to apply draft angle. Okay, this is the draft angle face. And next one, specify neutral element. Neutral element is support. Okay, I'm applying that support on this face. See, when you see the preview, that draft angle is applied like this. See, this is the faces to draft and this one is a neutral element. When you use like this, that features is applied like this. See, this one is faces to draft, this one is this neutral element. Okay, and next one, here we have pulling direction also. See, when you use this pulling direction is reverse side. See, actually this one is controlled by reference. See, when you use this one in opposite direction, now that angle is applied inside. Okay, actually this pulling direction is working as a reverse direction or normal direction like that. Okay, see, no, present I don't want reverse direction, so as usual I am applying top side. Now that angle is applied outward. I want to apply 20 degrees angle. This is the draft angle. And here we have one more option here. What is that? See, when you enter into more tools, here we have limiting element tool also. This option. See, this limiting element tool means now present this draft angle is applied up to last, but I don't want to apply up to last. I want to apply this draft angle up to this face only, one reference face. Now specify that reference face. Sorry, I'm using this plane. And see, when you see the preview, that draft angle is applied up to only this plane. Okay, this is the when you use that limiting tool, draft angle with limit. Previous one is without limit. Okay, if you don't want this limit, just deselect that limit. See, go to here and select and remove. Then next OK. Now that plane is removed. Then next OK. This is the tool. And next one, here we have another option also. See, what is that? Present we are working on constant, and second one is variable draft option also here. What is the tool? See, previously this one is only 20 degrees. Now here we have two sides, two different values here. See, now this side 20, this side 20 here. Now I don't want this side 20, I want to only 10 degrees angle this side. Next, when you see the preview, the draft angle is applied like this, one side 10 and one side 20. This is a variable draft. Now again, see, here we have one points option also showing. Previously there is no points, only one angle. Now here we have 2 points added. If in case you want to add another angle also, again go to here, select this and next specify more points, this one and this one. Okay, now I am applying 4 different points and see the preview. Now here 4 different angles also showing when you zoom. See, this side 10, this side 10. Now I don't want like that. I want to 10, 30, 30 like this. See, this side 30 and next this one I want to 30 and this one is 10. See, here we have I'm applying like this. First side, sorry, starting and ending, that's 2 is 10 and middle 2 is 30. I'm applying like this. Okay, now see the preview. Now this draft is applied like this when you use variable draft. Okay, previous one is constant, now this one is variable. And next one, here we have also same. When you enter into more, here we have limiting tool. When you apply this limit here, the draft angle is created up to only that face. Okay, this one is a first draft tool. And next one, second one, this is the draft reflect line. See, I'm going back. Okay, now when you use second tool, see here we have some fillet, so that's why compulsory you create fillet on this edge. Okay, I'm using 30 degrees 30 fillet radius. Okay, now here we have fillet. The next, when you enter into this tool, previously after specify faces to draft, here we have neutral element also, but there is no neutral element here. Okay, that is the difference between previous one and this one. So now here just specify faces to draft on this fillet. Okay, after specified faces to draft here, now here we have two faces available on this side and top side. Okay, which face you want to apply face this draft angle. Okay, uh, that is controlled by this pulling direction. When you use pulling direction is top side, the draft angle is applied this side, and next one, again when you use this pulling direction on this base face, now the draft angle is applied on top side. Now here we have only a little bit angle. When you use when you increase that angle, it will comes exact. See, 30 degrees angle. Now when you use this pulling direction on this face, the draft angle is applied on opposite. Okay, and next one, when you use this pulling direction in top face, the draft angle is applied on this front side face. Okay, this is the difference of previous one and now this one. Okay, previous one is here we have here there is no any fillet. Now here we have some fillet. That is the difference. Now here there is no that neutral element option. Okay, and next when you use more options, this limiting face, this one is also same. The draft angle is applied only up to that face. Okay, now these two tools is clear. And last one is, see, that is variable angle draft. Actually that is also same this one. Okay, see, observe, when you enter into this tool, the next one I am going to upload this variable feature. See, this same window, it will come on this tool. Okay, automatically we'll enter into this second tool. Okay, so this one and this first tool, second one, these two is same, there is no any difference. Okay, this is a draft tools. If you want to more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to activate bell icon. Thank you.